What's up, guys? I am in a 2018 Subaru WRX, the limited trim. I wanted to show you guys how to activate the delay in the backup camera. So what that means is when you're in reverse, your camera activates, and when you put it in first again, let's say you're taking off, you put it in first, the backup camera is still activated for a couple more seconds, so you can actually see yourself, or you can see the back while you're driving away. I know in the 2015 models, or sooner than that, or before, you go through the settings here, you hold enter, and then it should be in the screen settings under here, but that's different from the 2016s, 17s, and the 18s are different from that. So the 2017s, I know that when you put it in reverse, you click here, you push here in the center, and there should be a display option that pops up, but it doesn't do that for the 2018s. So what you actually have to do for this model is, so you're on the home screen, you click settings, and then you go to general, and if you scroll all the way down, backup camera, or back camera delay control, so you want to hit that, and then you go back to save it. And what that does is when you put it in reverse and you're getting ready to drive off, I'm going to put it in first so you guys can see, it keeps it activated for a couple seconds. There you go. So that is how to activate the backup delay in a 2018 Subaru WRX.